Welcome to our final program for the flow control section. We will combine loops, user input, and lists to create a basic system for collecting and displaying details for multiple employees. 1. Setup and control loop. We create a master list, employee_data, to hold all records. We use a while true loop to repeatedly ask for input, providing an option for the user to break the loop when data entry is complete. 2. Collecting data. If the loop continues, we prompt the user for the employee's name and salary. We convert the salary to an integer, then package this data into a new list structure, representing a single employee record. 3. Displaying collected data. After the while loop breaks, we use a separate for loop to iterate through the main employee_data list. For each record, we neatly print the collected name and salary. To summarize, this program uses a while loop for unknown iteration counts, like repeated input, and then uses a for loop to process the structured data collected in a list. This concludes our section on flow control statements. Our next section is 10 more programs 2, starting with lecture 10.01. Reverse a string.